Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Hi. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, we are Elvi and Vlad on VanLife mode. After living in an unconverted van for almost 2 years, we finally were able to do some projects and upgrades in the van during the past few months. We will be sharing that with you throughout the course of this year, as well as many travels, camping, hiking, and adventures that we did last year and we haven't shared with you yet.
We made it. Trying all kinds of things and eating.
Now, starting the new year, Vlad had the first week free from work and we decided to hit the road. Oh yeah, that's the good thing about VanLife, you're always ready to go. So, our first road trip of the year will be to the hottest place on earth and lowest place in North America, since this is the best time of the year to visit and we wanted to go there for a long time. We were so amazed and surprised with its uniqueness and impressive beauty. We weren't expecting to see so many beautiful and contrasting sceneries in the same place. It's amazing. And it was a great chance for us to check our electrical system completely off-grid, as well as playing around with the new camera toys that we got ourselves for Christmas and birthday. Yes, that too. Going to be celebrating my birthday week there, exploring the park, boondocking, and sitting by the fire pit while looking at the stars. Nothing can beat that. So, without further ado, let's kick off with the first day of the road trip heading to the park. Hope you enjoy it.
Trucks. We were just having a conversation about trucks, and I just want to say thank you to all of you truck drivers who are keeping this country running. Without you, we wouldn't have food, we wouldn't have all of the things that we all need in our cities. You are driving, rain or shine, where the snow is or is the storm. You keep driving all across the country through difficult and hard roads. Thank you for your service. Wow!
Что это там написано?
Все помедленнее сейчас.
Welcome to
Searless Valley. Wow. That must be some sort of mineral for construction. You can feel already kind of smell like sulfur, I think it is, but I don't know. With the windows all closed, you can feel the smell anyway. A lot of abandoned businesses and houses in the area. 1 mile ahead, general store for sale for leads. Searless Valley Minerals. Yeah, I told you, this is a mineral area.
Fill up the gas here, it will be cheaper and there won't be another gas station in the next 40 miles. The closest one will be at Panama Springs or even farther away on the other direction at Stovepipe wells.
For lease. Problem is that if you buy something here, I don't see the point. Gonna be closing everything as well.
Смотри, там такая машина рядом с этим домом.
Down, down, down.
Happy 2021 and happy birthday to me!
Let's open this. All right, so with the Verizon, Vlad has Verizon, we have no signal at all, but with AT&T, we got 4G. So that is great that we switch one phone to the other provider so that we can combine. An hour ago, we had the other way around. Q code. There it is. Perfect. And get. Since the Netgear, the Nighthawk is AT&T, we can plug Vlad's phone to the Wi-Fi and we have internet.
Update successful. This is a good spot because nobody is around. We are the only people on the road.
And there is still not a national park because when we enter the national park, it is prohibited there.
Okay, I know, maybe the music is too much, but that big is the way it felt when seeing those majestic views from that perspective. We got so excited. Okay, let's keep going. There we are. And where is? Where is? Birdie!
It's not gonna fall. Ooh. It's like an AC, man.
They use area. They can run or something like that in here. Oh, there are some picnic tables.
Блин, говно коровье.
Коровья? Yeah, there's some cow or some sort of other animal. Cheese sticks are great snacks, very easy on the road, and we got some crab sticks as well with mayo, and we have a snack till we get to a campground and we cook dinner for tonight. So this is the quick snack. Stovepipe wells would be that way to the left, Furnace Creek, and then White Rose to the right. Okay, let's go to the Stovepipe wells. They look so sweet. So this one was the Christmas gift for Vlad, and well as the drone, and this is all for both of us. So we are just learning how to use all of this. But we are happy with the new toys. We got this at the Love's truck stop, this mount that I wanted a long time ago to film ourselves like this. When we are talking by phone or we are in the road, and we can just be both in the frame. Love it.
You need to pay inside. So they only accept cash. So you either come with cash or get a fee. The stickers. Oh, which one would we get? I would get this one. Well, campground is closed. All the campgrounds are closed. No camping overnight because of the COVID. There's a stay-at-home order, and if you even wild camp, they could. So the closest place where he said that we can go is Nevada, Beat in Nevada, where there are some campgrounds or RVs or where it's possible to camp. Beat in Nevada, but here in the national park you cannot park overnight. And that over there, the only thing working is the restaurant. The camping, he said no. Almost crossing the border, California, Nevada, and this is the spot we are heading up to. The edge of the park camp while camping. We found it on the Overlander app. It's about 30 minutes away. And someone said that there are some fire rings at most locations. So we're gonna spend the night outside of the park, but not too far away from it. And thankfully without the phone signal, even though I could open the Overlander app and see where we are heading to, so not so bad. It was 5:30 and it was already dark. Of course they won't be seen, but they're already stars, a lot of stars in the sky. Yeah, entering Nevada. And this is really close to the park. See, I see a fire ring over there. Another spot here. Well, at least we already saw a couple of spots, so if so, we can go back. Trying to drive away from the highway. AT&T, no signal at all, and Verizon, we are in this road in the middle of nowhere, and we have 3. So very good to have different services. Looks like we found a spot. We are already far from the highway.
Все, отлично.
So this is the drinking water, and this is the other water for everything. This helps to get the water out of it, otherwise it's not very comfortable, so this thing is good.
Все, закрывать?
Давай, пока закрой. water, I added some beer. Still have 90% and 12 hours playing, enjoying. And I'm gonna be copying the material to the hard disk. All of the material from today is copied. The SD cards are emptied for tomorrow. Battery is charging. Inject. Yay! It's cold. It's cold. This is charged already as well. Everything is charged. It's been a long day, wonderful day, so time to go to sleep. Thank you for watching. Good night.